Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I am simply going to guide you on how you can fix if your Instagram says could not refresh feed. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now the first thing you definitely want to see is if I open my Instagram right over here, and let's say that you are having the error of could not refresh feed and it is not reloading it no matter how many times you actually refresh it. Now when it says could not refresh your feed, the first thing you simply want to check is your internet connection. So go ahead and open your Wi-Fi settings on your phone and see whether your internet is actually giving the signal or not. Also try to log into other accounts, try to use other social media apps, restart your router and check whether your internet is actually working correctly or not, because most of the times it could simply be your Wi-Fi or connectivity issues. If that fixed your issue, then that is perfectly fine, and if it didn't fix your issue, if you are on your iPhone, then you want to open your settings, you want to go to general and iPhone storage and try to simply offload the application first. And if you are on your Android, then you want to simply open settings right over here. Once you open settings, you want to go and look for the option called apps and simply tap on the applications option. Once you go to apps here, you want to simply look and go ahead and search for Instagram. As we tap on Instagram, here at the bottom you want to go to storage options, and as we go to storage options, first of all at the bottom you want to simply tap on clear cache, and as you clear your cache you also want to go ahead and clear data and then tap on OK. Once you clear your cache as well as data, you want to come back right over here and you want to simply tap on force stop option. Once you force stop, go ahead and open the Instagram application again and check whether the issue has actually been fixed or not. If this fixed your issue, then that is perfectly fine. If not, the other thing I would also recommend doing is that you want to simply open your app store, depending on whether you are on your iOS or Android, it doesn't really matter. In the search box you want to simply type in Instagram, and then first of all try to update the application if there is an update available on this Instagram app. So if there is an update available, go ahead and try to update the application first and see whether the issue has been fixed. If not, then you want to simply open Instagram and then log out from your current account. Once you log out from your current account, you want to re-log in, because most of the time what happens is that maybe you changed your password from some other device and it didn't notify you on this device where you were currently logged in at, and you want to simply try to check your login session on your device. So try to re-log in, go ahead and try to log into other accounts. Once you do that, you will have successfully fixed your issue of could not refresh feed on Instagram. So we hope one of these solutions have worked for you. If it did work for you, then make sure which of these solutions worked for you down in the comment section. And if you have any more questions, then also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.